Ambulance.
They're at gunpoint. We're handcuffed there right now.
Is that your first aid?
However, not being responsive.
We're gonna need our location.
That'll work. Breathing. Even though you just did. You in the vehicle, you can hear me. Step out.
Anybody else in there?
Not. Wake up.
Yeah. I couldn't tell you that I spiked them. Good job for
Breathing, but in and out of responsive. Gotta love the new top. Vehicle off.
Why?
Because I said, step out.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on.
Please.
Out.
Please.
Out. Out.
Please.
53 Central. She's running in pursuit. Turning onto Church Street northbound. We are headed westbound on Blanchard Road, heading through the intersection. Central, we are passing Gilmore Road, still westbound, speed 120. 53 Central, I do have a positive ID on that female with the face tattoos. Heavy set female. Coming up to Coldwater Road, westbound still.
There you've been approaching Coldwater, still westbound on Blanchard.
Turning northbound on Coldwater, northbound on Coldwater.
There, northbound on Coldwater from Blanchard.
Come on, girl, get up there.
Give me an update.
Still heading northbound, coming up to whatever chipper place this is. That'd be the one. Passing it right now.
That's just clear, northbound passing Bandit. That's clear.
Passing Margaret Meadow, still northbound, heading into the curves, approaching Deerfield. Speed 90. Picked the wrong deputy. Northbound passing Broomfield.
Clear, northbound passing Broomfield.
Just blue 20. Head northbound, northbound.
Clear, northbound, Boulevard from 20.
Eastbound on Pickard, eastbound on Pickard.
Clear, eastbound on Pickard, Coldwater for 3736. Are you able to log into your AVL?
Central, passing Littlefield, still eastbound.
Eastbound Pickard, passing Littlefield.
I know we're a little premature, but maybe see if there's a city unit set up.
We go. Private town, get ready. We go to the city. Touch, clear break, Central 236. Pickard. From Littlefield, can you go up to the west end of the city? Clear behind you. Still calling 1010s. please. Or they like another. West end of Pickard before they get into the city with spikes if you got them.
53 Central through Wynn Road. I believe we got sticks on her. 53 Central. We are passing Vanna car. She's starting to slow down, I believe. Tires are coming up. She's bailing. Gonna be bailing. Vehicle's still moving.
Clear, bailing, just past Vanna car.
She's down. Send me an ambulance. Hands! Hands! Now! Put your hands up! Do not reach for anything. You're gonna stay right there until I got another unit coming here. I got an ambulance en route. Not smart. Hope it was worth it. Watch him, watch him, watch him. Watch him.
236, go ahead.
Got gun.
Still moving. 236, that's a negative. You can disregard. They've got her stopped. She's bailed from the vehicle.
Show us your hands. Put your hands above your head if you can.
Hands!
Put your hands above your head.
She's still running. Negative. We got her at gunpoint. We're handcuffing her right now.
We got eyes on it, other hands. Can you respond to me?
2702.
Good job on this place. Here, sit up.
Tried to call.
You got your first aid?
I do. Heavy. Yep. She's unconscious, probably. Severe head laceration. I mean, severe.
53 Central. I believe I advised, but it's going to be that female. We're going to have a pretty severe facial laceration to the left side of the face. She is breathing, however, not being responsive.
We're going to need the road shut down a mile to the east and a mile to the west of our location.
That'll work. Rip that open for me. Give me another one. Let me get in here, Zach. Or you got it? Let me get to the side. She's breathing. She's breathing. Even though you just did that not smart thing, we're here trying to get you some help. So stay with me and talk. You just made a long day a lot longer. Is there anything in that vehicle I need to know about? Other than the fact it's stolen?
We'll clear the vehicle once we get this dealt with.
Clear 3765. You are winning Pickard.
Oh.
Yep, that hurts.
Let you know you're still alive.
Got it? I got the backside.
My back's killing me. I'm off. Oh.
Clear that car.
Yeah.
Central 3705.
Anybody in the vehicle? You're in the vehicle, you can hear me. Step out.
To the west.
Buddy, we got a firefighter here.
Severe head injury, buddy. We haven't been able to address C-spine until right now because of the severe head injury on her.
Anybody else in there?
CJ's clearing it right now.
Hello? You want her name?
I don't. Hey, wake up.
Are you holding her up?
I'm holding her up, yes. She's breathing. I can see her breathing.
Hey, Ryan.
Thanks for coming, buddy.
Yeah. Well, one of you guys went flying by my house, and so I turned on my radio to listen.
I'm trying to get on the radio.
Everyone was running their jibs. Couldn't tell you that I spiked them. Good job for going around.
Yeah, I saw it coming up. I saw the lights. I figured that's what you were doing.
I was getting the hell out of the way.
No, I got you. We're good. I did almost take the sign out.
Huh?
She was starting to move on her own a little bit there, unless you moved her.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Still breathing? Yep.
CJ, what's her first name?
Just 1 second. I got it. Just amped up a little bit. Give me just a second. Carol. And Michelle. We were probably doing roughly still 40 when she had bailed out. She's got a pretty good laceration on the left side. She never lost consciousness. She's breathing, but in and out of responsive.
She is cuffed. How big of a gash did you say she's got?
It's probably at least 4 to 5 inches long, and it's like an inch and a half deep, or an inch and a half wide. Get this picture for the morning sun right here.
Stupid. Gotta love the new Tahoes. Yeah, paper tail. Grab that side. Grab that tape. Went under. Green.